Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the rhyming scheme of a poem. A rhyming scheme of a poem is the pattern of rhymes at the end of each line of a poem. Rhyming patterns. Poet can choose from a variety of different rhyming patterns. Here are few examples. A, B, B. When line 1 and 2 rhyme and lines 3 and 4 rhyme. A, B, when line 1 and 3 rhyme and lines 2 and 4 rhyme. A, B, A, when lines 1 and 4 rhyme and lines 2 and 3 rhyme. A, B, B, when lines 2 and 4 rhyme and lines 3 and 4 do not rhyme. So these were few examples of rhyming patterns which the poet uses in the poems. Here we have an activity on rhyme scheme identification, how we can identify the rhyming scheme of any stanza or of a poem. So first we have snow. Snow whiteness where it falls, the bushes look like popcorn balls, and places where I always play look like somewhere else today. So here firstly, to identify rhyming scheme, we have to find out the rhyming words. We can see falls, balls, play, today. Falls is in line 1 and balls is in line 2. So the line 1 rhymes with line 2. So the same letter we will provide for both the lines. A. Next we have play today. Play is in line 3 and today is in line 4. So line 3 rhymes with line 4. So same letter will be provided to both these lines, that is B. So the rhyming scheme of this stanza is A, B, because line 1 rhymes with line 2 and line 3 rhymes with line 4. Now come to our next stanza. Oodles and noodles. I love noodles, give me oodles, make a mound up the sun. Noodles are my favorite foodles, I eat noodles by the ton. Here you can see we have to find the rhyming words first. So the rhyming words in this stanza taken from the poem Oodles of Noodles are oodles, foodles, sun, ton. So line 1 rhymes with line 3, line 2 rhymes with line 4. So the rhyming scheme of the poem is A, B, because same letters we provide to the lines which rhymes with each others. So the rhyming scheme will be A, B. Okay, next we have the stanza taken from the poem The Alligator. The alligator chased his prey, which hit him in the snout. He nibbled, gobbled, swallowed it, and turned right inside out. Here you can see, firstly we have to find the rhyming words. So the rhyming words here we have on the snout, inside out. Clear? So here what we will do. Snout, inside out, that is line 2 rhymes with line 4. So same alphabet we have to provide to this. We will start with line 1. Tail, it is not, line 1 is rhyming with no other line. We provide the letter A. Next we have snout rhymes with inside out. So both line 2 and line 4 will be provided with same letter B. Next we have left with one line. Line 3, it rhymes with no other line in the stanza. So we will provide next letter to it, that is C. So the rhyming scheme of the poem will be A, B, C, B. A, B, C, B. Next we have a stanza from Bliss. Let me fetch sticks, let me fetch stones. Throw me your bones, teach me your tricks. Firstly, as per the rule, we have to find the rhyming words. So the rhyming words here we have sticks, tricks, stones, bones. So line 1 rhymes with line 4. So same alphabet will be provided to line 1 and line 4. For example, A. Next, line 2 rhymes with line 3. So we will provide the same alphabet B. So the rhyming scheme of the poem will be A, B, B, A. A, B, B, A. Clear? So this was a small video on how we can identify the rhyming scheme of a poem or a stanza. Thank you.